Hi, welcome to Nomis Academy. In this video, we'll be dealing with laws of logarithm. We'll be dealing with laws of logarithm. So we'll see how those laws can help us solve some problems on logarithm. So let's take them one after the other. So law number one says log A plus log B. So we can see that they have the same base, whatever the base is. Let's say we have 10, whatever that it is. So it becomes log A times B base 10. So here the base is what we have here, the log of this. So log A base 10, log B base 10. So log A base 10 plus log B base 10 becomes log A times B base 10. So for instance, let's say we have log 5 base 10 plus log 6 base 10. So this becomes log 5 times 6 base 10, and that gives us log 30 base 10. Log 30 base 10. So that is the first law of logarithm. So let's take the second law. So the second law says log A base 10 minus log B base 10 is equal. So we have the same base, log of the same base. So this becomes log A divided by B, anyhow you want to write it. So base 10. So let's for instance take an example of this law. Let's say we have log 6 base 10 minus log 2 base 10. So this becomes, because they are of the same log, so that means log 1 can be substituted for it. One log can be substituted, that's log 10. So log base 10 rather. So log base 10, so we can say that 6 divided by 2. So we have log 3, because 6 divided by 2 is just 3. Log 3 base 10, and that's the answer to that. So we can see how this can be applied. So when it is minus, it becomes division. When it is plus, it becomes multiplication. And this is possible because they are of the same base. So log of the same base can be done in this manner. So let's take rule number 3. Rule number 3. So rule number 3 says log B base B is equal to 1. Log B base B is equal to 1, meaning that a log that has superscript as the base is equal to 1. So we will see how this is also linked to what do we call it, to indices. So log B base B is equal to 1. So let's for instance have log 5 base 5. So log 5 base 5 is equal to 1. So you can even confirm that in your calculator. Log 5 base 5. So log of any kind log of any number of the same base is equals to 1. So let's take Roman figure 4. Roman figure 4 says that log 1 base any base, let's say base A, is equal to 0. Log 1. So in as much we're dealing with log 1 of any base, log 1 of any base is equal to 0. Log 1 of any base is equal to 0. So let's take another one. That is rule number 5. So rule number 5 says, let's say we have log 2 raised to the power of 3 base 10. So this becomes 3 log 2 base 10. So meaning that if a log is having a power, the power can be brought behind the log to become a coefficient of that log, and it still remains. So we can do that. So let's take for an instance, let's say we have log 100 base 10. So this can become log 10 raised to the power of 2 base 10, and this becomes 2 log 10 base 10. So log 10 base 10. So you can see how these rules are working now. So from here you can see how I use one of the rules to make it like this, and how I use one of the rules to make it like this, and one of the rules again to still tell that log 10 base 10 is 1. So everything here is equal to 2. So these are the rules of logarithm. So the applications of this rule to solve logarithm questions in mathematics makes one good. So what you need to do is to have these rules written behind your heart or at the front of your heart, so that you can apply them in solving mathematical problems that require the laws or the rules of logarithm to solve. I hope you can capture all these rules in your heart. Bye bye. See you in the next video.